Deputy Chief Warren Brown.
Whoa.
I did nothing.
Whoa.
I did nothing.
Stay right here.
I did nothing. What did I do?
Stay right.
I left 2 notes. One for the
No, face me. Face me.
Good
And
morning.
don't ever do that again.
I left a piece of paper.
Ever do that again.
It's a piece of paper.
If you come out, you walk to that podium. Am I understood? Am I understood?
Yes, one.
Whoa. Notice the tension right away. Courtroom dynamics can be intense, and judges set strict boundaries early to maintain order. How would you react if you were in this high-pressure moment?
Go ahead, counsel.
Warren Brown, Deputy Chief Public Defender, being written on behalf of Mr. Amit Ehrenreich. State your name.
To ensure justice is made, I will make 5 brief statements and then state my name.
No,
Dana
you
from
will
the
state
forensic
your
center
name. You
had
will
first
state
detected
your name.
Of July 20.
Take him back.
Yes.
Take him back.
7 months later.
Because take him back. He'll follow the rules or not. Have a good day. We may call you back. We may not. Okay.
So, Your Honor, for the record,
For the record, what?
Mr. Ehrenreich remains incompetent. I guess that
Yeah, I know. And I think he technically has to be here. I don't know that he's forfeited the right. Miss Hughes, are you okay? No, why embarrassed? What are you embarrassed about?
Sorry, I'm totally kind of disordered. I'm really sorry.
Okay, no, go ahead. She shouldn't be embarrassed by it. Okay, so we all have to be real. Had that been Blanche, he would have been punched. So I'm just saying. I mean, I would have been tagged out, he'd be down.
we're going to just pass this and then come back.
Here's a classic example of procedural delay. Competency hearings are crucial. They determine if a defendant can understand proceedings. It's a reminder, not every day in court is action-packed, but each decision has huge consequences.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
Your name.
Tariq Samar, Tariq Ade.
Okay. All right. What are we doing in this case?
Oh, I'm still waiting for the hearing for the jurisdiction hearing. I put in the
For what?
jurisdiction hearing. Put in a motion for dismissal for lack of jurisdiction.
When did you put that motion in?
It's been, I'm not sure when it
Did
was
you
filed.
file a written motion?
Yes. I didn't get a receipt or anything. They said you filed, they filed it, and or at some time I never.
Have the people received a copy of a motion regarding jurisdiction?
No, in May, the last time a different prosecutor and Your Honor and everybody else was here, there was conversation on the record of a full defendant having filed a motion. We're still waiting for the defendant.
Competency. I don't have a competency report.
There's a quote, we'd like to quote Your Honor in our files, and the quote is about how we will not be addressing this until the competency report is back,
Thank you.
and it would have to go through his counsel.
And the other thing, okay, so that you, counsel, I will give you an opportunity to look at it because I don't know what to make of it. He sent something to the court. Like an attempted to draw a check on the back of a birth certificate and then some notice of adequate assurance for performance and settlement. Whatever. So we will give counsel an opportunity to look at that. I will adjourn this matter out for competency. I was giving what date? October.
October 20th.
They said that the competency hearing was on the 25th. I wasn't given any other information after
Say
that.
it again.
And I tried to ask him at the last hearing, it'll be coming in the mail.
And October 24th, 2024, 9 a.m. If we get a report prior to then I'll move the date up.
Thank you.
Thank you. Counsel, we will let you look at that. Maybe we can, what we'll do is we'll just make copies.
This is where you see the real-life grind of court logistics, motions, reports, adjournments. For the audience, even small paperwork delays can affect months of a case. Makes you appreciate the patience lawyers need.
Piece of it.
Thank you.
Send it to you.
So what has happened is
Thank you. Sir, in the lines, what's your name? Are you on the docket?
That's not right here. She said I'm also there at 9 and now I'm at 11.
Okay. You're at 11?
Yeah.
All right. I'm getting messages that you're causing problems in our hallway out there.
Oh, sorry. Was I doing wrong?
Pardon?
Sorry, Your Honor. I thought it was a court case that I didn't know what I was doing wrong. I was listening to music.
Okay. I don't want any trouble. Anybody tells you to do something, you better follow their instructions. Otherwise, we're going to have a real difficult time at 11.
Sir, should we come back in or stay here?
Wherever you're going to behave, you can stay. Got it? Thank you. Court will stand in recess.
All right.
That you operated an unregistered vehicle. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
That's a misdemeanor, also punishable by up to 90 days, $100 fine plus court costs. You understand that, sir? Yes?
Yes, sir.
All right. First question I have for you is, do you want to be represented by an attorney?
I'm sorry.
Do you want to be represented by an attorney?
No, sir.
Okay, so what are you going to do on this case?
I was looking to dismiss both of them.
I'm sure you were. How do you think that's going to happen?
I'm not sure.
Who might know how that might happen?
Classic self-representation moment. The court is making sure the defendant truly understands their rights. Viewers, this is where legal literacy matters. A mistake here could cost someone dearly.
Mom? I don't.
So, how old are you, young lady?
21.
You in school?
Yes.
Where? I teach there, so I know they're a lot smarter than right now. So, my question, you want the case dismissed,
Yes.
right?
Sir.
So, who might assist you if that is a possible option in getting it dismissed?
You?
I'm not here to assist anybody.
Oh, attorney?
Oh, wow. I know. No. So I now will ask you the question again. Do you wish to be represented by an attorney?
Yes, sir.
Okay, there we go. See, that's washed now. All right.
Boom. That's why courts double check. Sometimes people change their minds mid-hearing. Representation matters. And here it literally changed the outcome for the young lady.
This is a public defender case.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Catewith, and on behalf of Ms. Gray, Your Honor, we would waive any further reading of the complaint, stand mute as my ask for trial date and a PR bond, Your Honor.
And then having wait for a reading standing mute, court will enter a not guilty plea. First thing I'll do is pre-trial will be set. Or what date? To August 7th, 2024. 9 a.m. That's the bond in this case. I set the bond. I'll get this bond. I'll set her bond at a $5,000 person over.
And here's a win for the defendant, a PR bond. No cash up front. Courts use bonds to balance public safety with individual rights. How would you feel if a bond was your only ticket to freedom until trial?
Cognizance bond. Followed are standard conditions, including no assaultive behavior or possession of any weapons. There's to be no use of any alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal drugs. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. And young lady, what are you studying to be?
Major in sports management, minor in physical therapist.
Ah. Really? That's what you really want to be when you grow up?
Yes.
Really?
I love sports.
Why you want to do all that? You just first until you need to.
Cause I break too many bones. So why not be a physical
What kind of
therapist?
sport are you playing?
Basketball.
And breaking bones?
Yes, I broke my hip, my pinky. I get physical. You gotta get physical on the court.
I get it. So you broke all that.
Yeah,
What position?
a point guard, shooting guard.
How are you a guard breaking off? No,
When you
no,
drive,
I don't
Cinder,
even want that.
when you drive, there's like 6-foot girls. I gotta get to the basket.
Okay, I mean I get that. On a pinky?
Yeah.
Wow. All right. It's our little guard. That's what we'll. All right. We'll see you on August 7th. Who's that with you?
My mom.
Did you really break all that? Wow, causing the family problems because you're breaking bones.
Yeah.
Were the points worth it?
Yeah.
Yeah, darn right they were. All right.